In this video, we will learn how to draw shape in Excel sheet. Let's start. This is my Excel sheet. You can see here, this is a shape I used to use as a button, and I just enter the highlighted name of this data. If you want to insert the shapes in Excel sheet, just click on the insert. Here you can see the shapes option. Just click on that. Here you can see the lots of varieties available of different shapes available. Okay, so I just use the one shape. Okay, and just draw it. Okay, now I am second time when I draw it, the shape you can't use again you go in insert button and use the shape. There is a one way, you just click on it and draw so many shape in one click. Okay, just select the initiative. I just select this and the right click of the mouse and lock the drawing mode. When you lock the drawing mode, you can draw so many shapes button for your dashboard, for your data. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.